As an estate planning attorney, I admit I'm a little bit on the paranoid side. I am always thinking about contingent circumstances. If this, then that. What if this happens? What if that happens? That's part of my job. And something I want each and every one of you to consider is looking into an umbrella policy if you already don't have one. So part of my discussion with clients is looking at their financial portfolio and talking to them about protection. And one thing I think a lot of clients are under the mistaken impression of is that their trust protects them from creditors. I want to tell you, a revocable living trust, a garden variety trust, is not there as an asset protection device. So, for example, if you get in an accident and it's your fault and you don't have enough coverage to cover it and there's a judgment against you, you could be personally responsible whether or not you have a trust. And I had a client about 5 years ago who got into an accident. She accidentally hit a young boy in the road when the sun was in her face, and she called the insurance company to make the claim, and the person on the other line said, "Oh, you have a trust? That would protect your assets from creditors." And then she called me and I had to say, "No, that's not how it works." And I asked her, "Do you have an umbrella policy? Because if something happens and the amount of damage exceeds your insurance, if you have an umbrella policy, it will kick in and cover the claim." Umbrella policies are great. They're relatively inexpensive because they're very typically not even claimed against. They're cheap, good insurance. You can get 1 million, 5 million. I've seen it all over the map, but it is such nice peace of mind to have. So when you're looking at your revocable living trust, it is not there to protect your assets from creditors. It's to deal with incapacity or avoid probate after death. And I would strongly suggest calling your insurance agent and asking them a little bit about an umbrella policy to see if it's right for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful.